Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I am showing you exactly how to set up and master GitHub Copilot in Visual Studio 2026. This AI pair programmer is a game changer for your workflow, so let's get right to it. First, you need to make sure the extension is installed. If you are using the latest Visual Studio 2026, it is often included by default, but you should double check. Open the Visual Studio installer from your Start menu, click Modify on your installation, and look under the Individual Components tab and ensure that both GitHub Copilot and the new Copilot modernization components are checked. If you prefer the IDE route, you can also go to the Extensions menu, select Manage Extensions, and search for GitHub Copilot there. Once you set up how to set up and master, next, you have to activate the service. Look at the top right corner of your IDE for the GitHub Copilot badge. If it is glowing or showing a sign-in prompt, click it and select Sign In. This will open your browser where you can link your GitHub account. A huge tip for 2026 is that you can now use Copilot free, which gives you a monthly quota of completions and chat interactions at no cost if you do not have a paid subscription yet. Once you see the active status icon, you are ready to start coding. Then let's talk about the actual coding experience. As you type, you will see ghost text appearing. This is Copilot predicting your next lines. In the 2026 version, these suggestions now feature full syntax highlighting, making them much easier to read. To accept the suggestion, just hit Tab. If you only want a part of the suggestion, use Control plus right arrow to accept it word by word, or Control plus down arrow to accept it line by line. This gives you incredible precision without having to accept a whole block you might not need. The real power lies in the chat features. You can open the full chat window by going to View and selecting GitHub Copilot Chat. This is perfect for architectural questions or explaining complex legacy code. However, for quick edits, use the inline chat by right-clicking anywhere in your code and selecting Ask Copilot. You can type a natural language command like add error handling to this method or refactor this into a switch statement, and it will show you a side-by-side dip of the changes before you hit accept. Finally, keep an eye on the new agent mode. In the chat window, you can switch the drop-down from Ask to Agent. This allows Copilot to perform multi-step tasks autonomously, like generating an entire suite of unit tasks for a file or even creating a new project structure from scratch. It is significantly more powerful than the standard chat and is designed for the complex tasks we handle in modern development. If this guide helped you supercharge your coding speed today, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tutorials. See you in the next one.